So how do you update the Google Maps app on the iPhone? And let's begin and let's explain that. If this is your first time on this channel, consider subscribing to it because I have so many other tutorials and videos coming up which I believe you're going to benefit from. So go ahead and do that and let's get started. So the Google Maps app can be updated through the App Store. So locate the App Store where you downloaded the Google Maps to begin with and literally just type that into the search, like type in Google Maps like that, and you'll be able to see the app. And if there is an update available, you'll see an update button next to it. So it can either say open or update. If it says open, it just means that you are already running the latest version of the app, so there isn't much else to do. But you can also click on the update button if it's available and install the latest version. So that's like how exactly you can get it done. Of course, you can manage like your settings for the automatic updates as well. If you don't really want to like care about it anymore, you can locate it in like the settings app, go to the apps section at the bottom, and you can check out the App Store right here and decide that you want to have the app updates turn on automatically. So you will not have to worry about anything anymore. And that way, all of your apps, not just Google Maps, will always get the latest update. So that's it for me. Let me know what you think. Most definitely subscribe for more tutorials and upcoming videos like this one, and I'll see you later in those. So stay tuned and I'll see you later.